The clue to this mystery is in the title. See you soon. Anyone who types see you as see you has it coming. Before I proceed, just a friendly reminder as per my previous email, hope this finds you well, subscribe to the goddamn channel. And video like करें, I'll give you a second, फिर आगे बढ़ूंगी. Done? Okay, short video alert. Not a whole lot of depth here to provide from my end, but we got to keep things moving. See You Soon, out on Amazon Prime Video, is a thriller told in the computer screen subgenre style. All the action etc. unfolds only via various screens, which is a really freaking fun way of making films and telling stories. We meet Jimmy, played by Roshan Mathew, who just had a breakup and is idling time away on Tinder. He matches with Anmol, played by Darshana Rajendran, who's also sneakily whiling away time on Tinder. Immediately they start chatting, exchanging photos and video calling. And when I say immediate, matlab immediate. Jimmy is a fully grown man with the brains of a 5-year-old child, because within a week of chatting with this mysterious Anmol, he asks her had lunch like a total basic dude on the internet, even though he doesn't know where she lives, what she does, why she can't give him a phone number to call her on, etc. But he knows he loves her. So he ambushes her on a video call with his mother and a cousin sister, and he proposes to Anmol in 1 week without meeting. Like I said, see you ko see you likhoge to yahi hoga. The rest of the film unfolds with digital sleuthing done by Jimmy's cousin Kevin, who is a highly skilled IT guy, well capable of hacking into near everything, played by an incredible Fahad Fazil. Who is Anmol? What is her story? Who does she live with? Will these two ever meet and be happy ever after? Yeah, something sinister is afoot. First things first, one has got to marvel at the technical achievements of this film. It's made in the 2020 lockdown, even though it is set in 2019, so pre-pandemic. पर एक physical distance की shortcoming को दूर करने के लिए आपने स्क्रीन प्ले ऐसा लिखा है जिसमें very rarely two people need to be in the same room, and then it's executed also quite convincingly. In POV like shots, we jump from app to app seamlessly, going from Tinder to GChat to WhatsApp to Cam Scanner, pre-banning LOL, effectively taking the story ahead. In some places, it's almost as if we are spying on these characters through the apps which they are using, but unknown to them, the apps are always watching. It is unnerving to see Kevin sleeping or arguing with a woman or just lost in his thoughts while not even using his computer. Still, he's on video because the internet overlords are watching everything, I guess. The use of screens and apps carefully walks the line between novel and gimmicky, but I think director Mahesh Narayan manages skillfully to always stay on interesting side of things, even though some of the characters conveniently keep sending each other video messages. It's kind of exasperating to watch that, because literally no one I know does that. One would have to be a real dumbass to keep a mobile phone camera pointed to their face, held in an extended arm when pressed for time, running through an airport. Also, where See You Soon faltered for me is in the actual plot, the clue solving, which leads to the eventual solving of the Anmol mystery. पहले 50 मिनट जब कहानी उलझती रहती है, it's quite fun playing detective along with Fahad Fazil and the other cast. But then when I saw the twist coming and my prediction inevitably came true, I found my attention wavering. In the second half, the chase for truth reaches a crescendo and then abruptly comes to a halt, to be replaced by exposition. The characters stop being detectives and turn into bystanders as the film begins to tell them and the viewers what the truth is. News stories appear all over the internet literally the next day, perhaps trying to highlight the 24-hour news cycle and how fast information travels now. But I'm not gonna lie, it still feels a little disingenuous and, like I said, exposition-y, slightly lazy. See You Soon's win lies in form over substance. Even though I could tell some frames had been slowed down to cheat a bit, so the split screen scenes shot separate perhaps could be matched for timing. The computer screen subgenre makes the film very current and relevant, and really kind of emphasizes how right now we are fully realized physical humans but exist for each other only digitally. Years of technology has trained us to be able to survive remotely in a pandemic if we have the luxury of a steady internet connection, that is. For the last decade or so, after a bad breakup, one only has to block a person on WhatsApp and Facebook to erase them from one's life, and it immediately becomes more possible to pretend that they were never real. Every day, new forms of online communication are invented, each catering to a small need, setting it apart from the previous platform you were using by just that much. And I appreciate that this film is very aware and celebratory of the marvels of online communication. I also appreciate very much that when the characters are heard talking in Malayalam and also using a screen to communicate with another person, they are typing in English and vice versa, so that people like me can follow both the text on the screen and what is being spoken in Malayalam via the subtitles. It's a lot of reading. Despite my inability to take the title of this movie seriously, I mean, see you instead of see you is there, yeah, because look, it is an online chat speak story, and you know, I still quite enjoyed watching the movie because it truly is an achievement in creating a narrative structure using only screens, like watching a comic book come to life, all characters in their separate squares. And mainstreaming this for India, lesser seen film genre like the found footage format, you know. And now, relation mein recommendation. 2018's American film Searching, the debut film of director Anish Chaganty, is also a computer screen mystery thriller film about a father's search for his missing daughter. But the writing is so much tighter and the payoff is so much better. You watch See You Soon and then look up Searching to see what can be achieved through this format, the kind of tension building which can be used for screenplay only using our secret online lives and digital personas. Subscribe कर लें please. पैसे जोड़कर प्रोफेशनल एडिटर हायर कर लूंगी, आई प्रॉमिस. इसीलिए डिले हो रहा है नए वीडियोस डालने में. थैंक्स फॉर बीइंग हियर. सी यू सून.